When I moved to New Orleans in 2001, I inherited my grandmother's kitchen table. I decided that that table had to be filled at least once a week, and the logical thing to do was to fill it on Monday nights and just to cook red beans. So I started just filling the table, one table at a time. Hey, what are you doing this week? What are you doing this Monday? And I've been doing it for a little bit over 20 years, and it has never been the same group of people twice at the table, because it's based on whoever I run into that week. And also do it in a really simple way, the way that my grandmother would have done if she was doing the same thing. It is just red beans and just cornbread. So it's not fancy at all. But in a lot of ways, it's old school to encourage conversation and through that community. That's a Louisiana thing. It's one of the languages that we speak. It's done with an open heart and just kind of a, come in, here's what we have on the stove. Come eat with us.